Good morning, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Episode start with Sumitra come out and tell everyone he's having sweet and ask Krishna why he is not having the sweet. He asked where is Pratigya? She is not even come to breakfast. Meera tell even others she is not there. Sajan tell didn't know what kind of woman they let stay in their house. First, she was behind his son, now his son-in-law. Krishna asked everyone, did not all are ashamed of bad mouthing Pratigya? If Komal did not have any problem with that, then why you are worried? Komal tell that she cannot do anything if others fell for Pratigya trap. Meera tell that they have to eat sweet with his house son-in-law. So let's search for him. Everyone acts and goes to search for others. Komal asks Sajan why they all involve others in their plans. What if others is with Pratigya, to which Sajan tell that's not possible, so asked her not to worry. Kesar search for Pratigya. Krishna also comes outside. Case are about to say something, but they get interrupted by Sumitra's crying, so goes inside. Sumitra opens the door and screams saying, what is Pratigya doing with Adarsh? Everyone comes to the place. Kamal gets shocked. Krishna get glimpses about Adarsh and Pratigya, but did not get a clear picture first. Sumitra tell that she is even shame to say what Pratigya is doing, but Pratigya has no shame to go behind Adarsh. Krishna recall Adarsh and Pratigya's movement and tell that this happened before also, right? Everyone gets shocked and look at Krishna's curiously. Krishna beat Adarsh and asked him how dare he get close to Pratigya. Everyone tried to stop him, saying it's not Adarsh, it's Pratigya, who he has to punish for doing all this. Pratigya thinks once again her plan is break fire and decided to stop Krishna from hitting others, saying that he cannot punish him like this. Krishna leave others and asked what happening. Komal tell Krishna that Pratigya is right. He cannot hit someone without knowing the truth. Then she asked Sumitra to tell the truth or else she will reveal it. Sumitra asked Komal, what is she saying? She did not know. Komal tell that there is no relationship between both Pratigya and others share now, neither in the past. It's all Sumitra's plan. Krishna get angry and ask Sumitra to tell the truth. Sumitra tell that she will not tell him now because he is angry. Krishna tell that he is disappointed with each and every one of them for taking advantage of his memory loss. So he will believe everyone worse he himself will know what happened in the past and leave the place. Sumitra took at Pratigya's angrily. Krishna come to the balcony and wonder what actually happened in this past and why he is not recalling anything. Pratigya came there and tell that she know he can not only able to understand what is going on and how he feel about it, but asked him to have milk and also asked him not to go so worry and saying everything will become normal, but Krishna refused to have milk and leave the place. Komal asked Adarsh wonders and asked him is necessary to beaten up by Krishna this much while he is not told Krishna about Sumitra's plan, but others tell Sumitra asked him not to. Komal asked others to be not to so good, especially when he is living with the people who can do anything to get what they want. Meera tells Sajan and Sumitra it is a good opportunity for them to instigate Krishna against Pratigya. But because of Komal, everything's ruined. She then tells that why they should send Komal to her in-laws' house the day she got married, but instead of that, they let her and her husband stay here with them. Now they can see what happened because of that. So asked Sajan and Sumitra to send Komal to her in-laws' house. Sajan get angry and asked Meera to stop lecturing them. Also question, who is she to order them to send Komal to her in-laws' house? Komal is this house daughter, but Meera is not even Krishna's wife yet, so warn her to be in her limits. Meera leave the place saying she is telling them to save everyone's relationship with Krishna, nothing else. Sajan asks Sumitra how dare Meera can lecture them. Sumitra asks Sajan to leave Meera because they have to concentrate on Krishna and Pratigya. If suppose Krishna recall his past, then like before he decided to leave the house with Pratigya, which they cannot afford. So this time they have to be something that will make Pratigya to leave the house. Krishna refused to eat with everyone in the breakfast table in the morning and asked Adarsh why he hide it that he knows him before too and how he knows Pratigya. Everyone gets shocked. Adarsh tell after he completed his law course he joined under Pratigya to do his practice. Krishna asked that, mean Krishna is a lawyer? And what else? They all are hiding from him. Meera asked Krishna to not to stress, but he did not listen and asked others to tell him everything that happened before. Why he and Pratigya tried to make him jealous in the past. So that's it for today's episode. To know more about your favorite show, Man Ke Paas Pratigya Season 2, keep watching my channel.